just don't get around.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be making a wreath. So I decided to skip over the fall wreath for Vlogtober and just go straight for Christmas. So you need some cable ties, you need some ribbon, you need mesh, you need a wreath ring, and you need scissors, of course. So I went to Michael's, found the red and black plaid mesh, and then I got the black and white plaid mesh. I also got this cute Christmas tree ribbon that has like cheetah on it, and then I found others that go along with the red and black plaid, white and black plaid. So the mesh roll I just showed was like $9.99 at Michael's at the moment because it had not gone on sale yet. So this is a big roll. It lasted enough for me to make 2 wreaths. So what you want to do is just really measure out your mesh and your ribbon before you even get started. That way when you do finally get started, you don't have to stop. So I am just simply opening up every single ribbon that I would love to use for my wreath, and I'm just going to simply measure how long I want my mesh. My mesh is going to be the back part to the wreath. Basically what I mean by that is that this is going to be what goes in the back. The ribbon that is thinner and smaller is going to go towards the front. So this ribbon you see me working with right here simply was one of my favorites from last year. Michael's put it back out this year. I really love that it has the black and white plaid, it has the red and black plaid, and then it also has a cheetah tree. Cheetah is one of my favorite prints to use, so I really could not wait to see if they would come back out with it this year. I will go ahead and stock up more once it goes on sale for next year, and hopefully create a total different wreath for next year. But like I said, you want to measure out each piece of ribbon, make sure they're all the same, make sure that you have a good amount of pieces to use. You do not have to, use a lot of ribbon. A little bit of ribbon goes a long way, especially to make a wreath. So of course, as I've said before, I've used just one roll of each different type of ribbon. So this is a candy cane ribbon. To me, I also have the red and black plaid, and then of course you've seen the one with the trees. So just measure them out and just be prepared.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better.
Hope that you guys are enjoying this video so far. If you are new here, welcome. I hope that you are enjoying me making a wreath just to show you guys you can do it at home too. It does not take a lot. It might take about 1 hour to 2 hours of your time, just depending on the size of your wreath ring, but this only took me an hour. So here's my first ribbon bow that I want to put onto the ring. First of all, like I said, you need the cable ties. Cable ties can be small, they can be medium, they can be large. So what you want to do is just simply have your ribbon tied together to where you're holding it, you're using the cable tie to put it onto the ring, and just keep shifting it up to the point where you will eventually keep adding more. So prime example right here, I am just literally scrunching up the mesh in the middle to where it's the long way where I'm making it fold in the middle, and then you're going to add your pieces on just like this, and you just can scrunch them in the middle 2 or 3 times, and then you'll fold it into the actual mesh itself. Then you will take your cable tie and simply put it onto the wreath ring.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky.
To show you guys even better, I wanted to give a picture of the actual wreath ring as I got started and as I was holding it. I also wanted to show you guys a different angle of how you mesh it in the middle, of how you pinch it in the middle to get that bow. So you just do it in the middle, you just continuously keep adding the ribbon that you want to put on the inside of it, and then you will use the cable tie to tie it to the wreath ring itself. It's not going to come loose.
We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love out loud, love out.
So everybody, comment down below, what is your theme for Christmas this year? And if you would love a wreath, how would you make yours? What design would you do for yours? process for making this wreath definitely does not take long. I would say definitely just about an hour, as long as you are well prepared before you start. And it turns out very cute at the end. You can fluff it the way that you want to. This is something that can easily be boxed up and just fluffed for next year's. Pull out the box.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace.
I was having a hard time being very well prepared with the mesh, that I kept having to cut more because I kept thinking that I did not need so much. So that's why I say, guys, be prepared when you first start your wreath by having all of your ribbon and mesh cut and everything that you want to use for your ribbon ready to go.
Take me back, all the way back
This next part right here, I wanted to simply add a sign, not in the middle, but at the bottom. So I got this sign from the Dollar Tree. It says, I'll be gone, or I'm sorry, I'll be grown for Christmas. It's just a cute little decoration that I wanted to add on. Simply, I just took the ribbon that's on the actual sign and used the cable ties to tie the cable through the middle so that it would hang from the bottom. And just make sure that it's really tight, but make sure it's not like breaking your wood design. But I hope that you guys enjoyed me making this wreath. I hope that it shows you guys how to make one and that you will want to make one at home for yourself for Christmas this year. So stay tuned. Vlogmas is coming soon. And I hope that you guys join me for Vlogmas. Thanks for watching.